Hey fellow travelers! Are you ready to live your best life in London? I got you covered. London is travel and leisure's top destination for 2023. Imagine a city where timeless history blends seamlessly with cutting-edge modernity, where the aroma of traditional English breakfast competes with the exotic sense of international cuisines, where a whirlpool of cultures coexist. That's London, an adventure seeker's utopia. Welcome back to our channel. We're here to help you make the most of your vacay. Before we start, I'd appreciate you hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. Now, let's talk about how to do London on a budget. All dollar amounts are estimates. You should do your own research to confirm your actual expenses. I'm about to show you some of the best sites and activities that the city has to offer, all for under $600 with a 3-night stay. First up, we gotta get you a chill spot to crash at. So I recommend the Good Hotel in the Royal Victoria Dock area, which has some great reviews on Expedia for only $98 per night. That's under $300 for 3 nights. So you can save that cash for some sweet shopping later. To get around town, you gotta ride the tube. This is London's subway, which is a fun and cheap way to explore the city. Alright, let's get into the good stuff. On day 1, you can chow down on some buffet breakfast at the hotel, then hop on the tube to South Bank for some amazing sights along the Thames River, like Big Ben and Westminster Abbey. Cross over the Millennium Bridge, also known as the Wobbly Bridge, and check out St. Paul's Cathedral. One of the most famous events at St. Paul's Cathedral was the wedding of Prince Charles and Lady Diana Spencer, later known as Princess Diana, on July 29, 1981. For lunch, head to Borough Market for some delicious eats. For dinner, you can hit up one of the many affordable restaurants in the Royal Victoria Dock area. Day 2, after breakfast, it's time to see the changing of the guard at Buckingham Palace. The changing of the guard usually takes place at 10:45 a.m. It's a ceremony where the Queen's Guard hands over the responsibility of protecting Buckingham Palace and St. James's Palace to the new guard. The ceremony usually takes place on certain days of the week, often on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays, but the schedule can change, particularly in winter months or during special events. It's recommended that you arrive 45 minutes early to get a good viewing spot. Then, hit up the British Museum, which has over 8 million objects spanning human history and culture from all over the world. Take a walk through Bloomsbury neighborhood, where peeps like Mahatma Gandhi, Charles Darwin, and Bob Marley have lived. Also check out the Charles Dickens Museum, or the Foundling Museum nearby. You can go to Chinatown for lunch, which is only 20 minutes away. End the day at the Tate Modern, where you can get your modern and contemporary art fix. Finally, on day 3, get ready to live like royalty at the Tower of London, where you can see the crown jewels. Walk over Tower Bridge and visit Trafalgar Square and the National Gallery for free. The National Gallery is an art museum in Trafalgar Square that houses a collection of over 2,300 paintings dating from the mid-13th century to the 20th century. You can see works by some of the most famous artists in history, such as Leonardo da Vinci, Vincent van Gogh, Claude Monet, Rembrandt, and J.M.W. Turner. You can also see special exhibitions that showcase different themes, periods, and styles of art. The National Gallery is free to visit, but booking is recommended. Take a leisurely stroll through Covent Garden. Finally, catch a matinee show in the West End to cap off your vacay in style. Friends, we've just touched the tip of the iceberg that is London. This city invites you to discover its many faces, to experience its unique rhythm, to fall in love with its charm. So, are you ready to pack your bags and set off on an unforgettable journey? If you enjoyed this virtual journey through London, do give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more such exciting travel stories. I'd love to hear what you think about London, or any other travel questions or suggestions you have, so please leave a comment below. Until our next travel tale, see you soon!